Welcome to Hammy's Playhouse.
Today we're going to make a play-doh apple. We're going to first start with some nice red squishy play-doh, and you can use any colour you want for your apple. Start by squishing it gently in your hands and then roll it. Use both of your hands and squish it gently at the same time as you roll it, and it will start to form a nice circle. It will start to form a nice ball shape. And remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. Apples come in all different colours and shapes and sizes. Once you have your ball, you want to use your pinky to make a hole in the top. Don't go all the way through, just a little bit in the top. Our next stage is to make the stalk, and I'm using a little bit of brown Play-Doh for this. You want to roll it onto a surface to make a little sausage shape, and this goes into the top. It's looking really good. Our last stage is to have some green Play-Doh. This is really squishy, this one. This is going to be the leaf. So we want to start in the same way. We want to start by rolling it on our table to make a nice sausage shape. And now we want to flatten it ever so slightly with our thumbs. Just like this. To make a nice leaf shape. And you can make the shape any shape you want. And I'm going to pinch it at the top, just like this. And I'm going to pop it inside the hole at the top. And now we've got our Play-Doh apple. Thanks for helping me with that. I hope you have fun making Play-Doh apples. And remember, you can make them any way you want.